Hello kids! Today we will learn CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant. C, V, C. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. Can you repeat after me? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Before we start, press the red subscribe button to watch more such fun videos. Let's get started. A. Short A CVC words. Let's have a look. Bad, dad, cab, Sam. CVC. This is a consonant, A is a vowel and D is a consonant. And these are the words with a vowel in the middle. Let's repeat this again. Bad, dad, cab, Sam. Again. Bad, dad, cab, Sam. Your turn to read. Very good. E. Short E CVC words. Let's have a look. Bed, leg, pen, hen. Again, E is a vowel which is in the middle. Let's repeat this again. Bed, leg, pen, hen. CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. We are reading words with vowel E in the center. Again. Bed, leg, pen, hen. Your turn to read. Very good. I. Short I CVC words. Big, zip, bin, pig. CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So these are the words with I vowel in the center. Let's repeat it again. Big, zip, bin, pig. Again. Big, zip, bin, pig. Your turn. Very good. O. Short O, CVC words. Cop, mop, dog, jog. These are the words with vowel O in the center. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's repeat this again. Cough, mop, dog, jog. Again. Cough, mop, dog, jog. Your turn to read. Very good. U. Short U, CVC words. Cup, mum, tub, cub. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So these are the words with vowel U in the center. Let's repeat them again. Cup, mom, tub, cup. Again. Cup, mom, tub, cup. Your turn. Very good. You did excellent. Let's revise vowels. So which letters are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Can you repeat? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. I hope you had fun watching this video. Subscribe to watch more such fun videos. Until we meet next time, Teaching Mumma loves you. Take care and bye-bye.